Meaning of digital recording.
Digital recording.
Digital recording.
Digital recording.
Digital recording. Digital recording is a method of capturing and storing sounds or images in a digital format. This means that the analog signals are converted into a series of binary numbers, which can be easily stored, manipulated and reproduced using electronic devices such as computers and smartphones. Unlike analog recordings, which degrade over time due to factors such as tape wear and magnetic interference, digital recordings preserve the original quality of the source material almost indefinitely. This has made digital recording the dominant technology in fields like music production, filmmaking, and video editing.